Alright, so today I have another ceiling fan destruction. This time it is in a tree. I've done this before off camera, but this is a not so put upright fan. It has loose nuts in it that hold the motor up there just because I don't feel like getting my wrench out right now, and it's more fun to have it like this because basically it just kind of goes nuts and the motor will end up falling soon. So we're just gonna like throw stuff at it, like this chair that I used to put it up. It's already broken, so I'll throw stuff at it. And are you gonna take part in this destruction? Okay. I have to find yet another place to set up the camera. I can probably find somewhere pretty easy. No. Point it straight up? That would look stupid. Trying to see if I can maybe get it on one of these dollies or something, but closer up. Oh man. I honestly don't know. This one's kind of tough. Maybe in one of these trees. What? You want to hold it? No, because you can't see the fan. The fan's pointing this way. You want to just hold it?
Sure.
Unless I can get it to stand. No, alright. You gotta kind of film from over there, so.
Film from over here.
You just shut it off.
No.
No, you don't film like that. You film like this. Alright, come over here. Film right there. I'm over, like, almost in between those trees. Yeah, I go to you, right?
Kind of.
Alright, it's gonna be a sucky destruction, but yeah, it'll be fun. So here goes the chair. That wasn't loud or anything, I promise.
I think we're destroying more of the chair than the fan.
Yeah, I know. Doesn't really spin too well. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of scared of it.
Here, hold it for a minute.
What, you want to do some?
Hey, move back.
That's crazy. You just knocked the two rings off. You see that?
Yeah.
That's cool. I didn't even know this could come off. Nah. Okay. Alright. So now it's time for the Cool Colors fan.
Wait.
Ooh, I bent that blade up. You see that? Oh, now it's spinning normal for some reason. That's pretty crazy. Oh, I should start whacking at it. It took a lot of power to get that thing up there. Hold it up real quick. Hit that same blade.
Move.
Huh? Yeah. That was funky.
I have one hand with the phone.
Sounds like a freaking bird. This branch is annoying the crap out of me. There's a blade keeps hitting it. Wait, I'm just gonna chair. I'm ripping that off. Watch it fall to my head.
Won't be surprised with your luck.
This way.
Ah!
Yeah, I thought that was gonna fall. that's funny. Alright, so now, not as much blade smacking anymore. Let's take a test. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Let me make it for you.
Wait.
No, it's not. Here, you gotta do this. Yeah, sorry about that, guys, but today is just gonna be an awful video. But at least I got to spin really well now. I completely missed. Wow. What a hit. I'm just gonna spin it again.
Move.
Yeah! That's what I'm talking about, man! Yeah!
Oh, I got something better.
2 sticks.
Oh, that was
That's my hand. That hurts so bad. It's kind of hot. I want to hit this one like that. There it goes.
got something.
That one in the neighbor's yard.
You might want to go over there and talk to some.
I'm good. That one in the neighbor's yard.
Uh-oh.
Stinky. There we go. That's perfect.
Can you guys see that? I think you can.
Alright.
Yeah, you guys can.
Oh.
Yeah, that was a perfect throw.
I can see it coming down. It won't be long. Watch out. That broke into a bunch of pieces. You seen that, right?
No.
Of course you didn't.
Oh, I found a handle to Oh, why is this still in one piece, Liam?
Oh, that? I don't know. That works.
Move. This is what I do.
No, stop.
Wait. Keep that like that. Whoa. Wait a minute. Wait. Oh!
That was nice job.
Dang.
This is just great. It's like a giant slinky. Oh, now it won't come down. We're having technical difficulties.
Yeah, technical.
Hold on. This video is just epic.
This is the worst video we've done.
I know, this is just so bad. I hope it gets a bunch of views though.
We need to
The
just
last one did.
we need to destroy this one. Or the one with,
Why do you want to destroy all the ones that have micro motors in it?
the one that has the small motor.
The one that inside that has a small motor.
Oh.
That's the same one that's inside that has a small motor. You yelled at me earlier when I said I wanted to destroy it. Did a lot of damage.
To the fence. Look at them blades, though. What did you hit?
Just walk it till it comes down.
Hit them blades. What's this grill go to? Okay, so never mind.
Oh, yeah. Try to get the middle. These things are so annoying.
What?
Them things. Right there. That doesn't do too much. I need to get it like higher up. There we go, that did some damage.
You need to run that over with a lawnmower.
What, there?
Yes.
No.
Not with that lawnmower, with something else.
And you know my I stripped the tip of my lip there. There we go, there's a blade. Where's that dang box fan at? Right about here. Oh yeah.
That poor box fan.
It's a cool colors. It's pretty cool.
Gotta throw it higher than that.
Harder, not higher.
Harder and higher.
You're gay.
Rip on the bush.
I want to see if I can split one of the blades in half by whacking it. Oh, I can do that too. Did you miss that?
It's on camera, but I did, however, miss that.
Oh my god. This thing's getting beat up.
There we go.
Trying to cool the fan off. Get up there. Yeah.
Said nope. All right, wait. My turn.
No, your turn. You're the cameraman.
It doesn't do anything.
This video is so boring.
All right, bye, guys.
No! Not ending it yet. We have to do a proper video ending, Ruby.
You know, like, no one's gonna watch this, right?
You don't know that. Oh my gosh! Look at that.
Wait,
Got that on video. Oh, that hurt. Alright, fam.
What was that? Oh,
But the split.
yep. You know what we should do?
Oh, that.
We should
Break our hands.
try selling that on Let Go.
Oh my god, posting this. You know how funny that would be?
125 bucks, broken fan. Still work.
My son hit it with his baseball bat. I think just won't split. You can see all the wood flakes going over.
Got hit with one.
This is like the saddest destruction we have.
These are next.
No, they're not. I didn't say yes. Those are my fans, not his. Finally, it broke. Look.
That's good. This is stupid now.
I'm trying to get those last two.
You know I ended that video like a minute ago?
They did it. No, it's still recording.
I know.
I would hit you so hard with it.
No, this is stupid.
No, it's not. Where'd you get that?
Somewhere.
Yeah, this thing is just
It's indestructible, bro. I almost got hit, guys.
I can't. Why aren't you videotaping this?
Because this
So
is...
interesting down there. Bees and birds. Ow. Oh.
That bush got beat up more than that fan did.
Busting up my hands. This thing better get a lot of views. Probably not, but it just freaking bust my hand. I didn't swear in this video, did I?
Maybe not. I think you...
Monetized.
I think you did.
I think it'll be monetized. Should be. It gets a lot of views, it will be. Ow.
No, this is stupid. Dang.
It's in half. Wait, guys. Come here. Get a close view.
I seen it hit me.
Move that in half.
Wait.
Hold on, let me stop it. Look at that. In half. annoying.
All right, bye guys.
No. Still gotta make this thing fall. How long's the video?
31 minutes.
You serious?
Yes,
For real?
20 minutes.
I like how you lie to me all the time. It's not funny. I need my baseball bat. Where's the bat? Where the bat at? I need something heavy.
Be careful.
How?
Oops.
They're not gonna fly at you unless I actually make them fly at you. Yay.
That's the end of our video, guys.
So I do the outro, my YouTube channel. There's the fan.
Ah.
Ripping pieces. Anyway, so that's him who likes to videotape me.
Bro, you do it all the time, bro.
And so that concludes our video of our ceiling fan destruction, which really sucked. Anyway, so I'm not going to make this too much longer. So anyways, thanks for watching.